what and what they do in this department.
Well, this partner will do cake baking, my cake and decoration with gara.
Yeah.
Okay, so if somebody wants to learn welding at Growth Center here, how many years or how many months is it going to spend? Hello, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yomi Adu, and I am the CEO of Era of Travels and Tours. On this channel, I talk about travels within Africa. I go to different places, marketplaces. I also meet different business owners to interview them. But in the series of my tour of Bo, especially the place called the Growth Center in Bo, don't forget, Bo is the second largest city in the country of Sierra Leone. So I want to bring to you two units again today. If you have not watched the other videos, I want you to watch. I did a video in the restaurant. I did a video with the manager of the Growth Center. But today I also did a video of the tailoring unit. But today I want to visit two units. That is the cake making unit and also the welding unit. Lest I forget, I also did a video of the blacksmith forge. That is the blacksmith unit. These are interesting videos. Maybe you have someone, especially in this country, you want the person to learn a skill, a kind of handwork, vocational skill. You can send the person to Growth Center in Bo. So if today is the first time you are seeing me, I want you to be part of this community. Subscribe to my channel. Let's do it together every time. This year, we are going to cover 10 countries. We have done one already. That is the country of Guinea. If you have not watched the video of Guinea, please, I want you to watch the video. And starting from this May, we have other countries to cover. So be part of this community, hit the subscription button, and also like all my videos. Thank you. So let's enjoy the video one more time. All right, guys, this is the other department. This is where they learn how to bake. And the person standing beside me is one of the tutors, one of the lecturers, or one of the teachers in this department. So, sister, how are you, ma?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Aribaki.
Okay, how long have you been teaching here?
Over 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah, this is our 9th batch now that I'm going.
Okay, beautiful. Now, just one more question for you. Tell us what and what they do in this department.
Well, this partner will do cake baking, my cake and decoration with gara.
Okay, decoration with gara.
Yeah, with cake
So
baking.
cake baking.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all you do here.
Yes, sir.
So if somebody is coming to this place to learn, how long will it take the person to learn?
1 month, 2 weeks.
1 month and 2 weeks.
Yes,
that the
sir.
person will graduate.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much. We are also in another department. Now you can see that gate. This is a welding unit, a welding department. And you can see people walking down there.
Blacksmithing section.
Oh, that's a blacksmith section?
Yes.
Oh, this one is the welding section.
Welding section.
Okay. The person speaking with me here is the
Mr. Abdurrahman Kamara.
Mr. Abdurrahman Kamara. Okay, Mr. Abdurrahman is a welder, he's a tutor, he's a teacher in this school, Growth Center. So, sir, how long have you been teaching here?
Since 2007.
2007. That's
Yeah.
like how many years? 2007, 2017. That's like 18 years, if I'm not mistaken. That's like 18 years. Okay.
Yeah.
That's like 18 years. Oh, okay. And what about your students? They are not here?
Some of them have gone to holiday.
Some of them?
Yeah, holiday.
Okay, on holiday
time, yeah.
Okay, so if somebody wants to learn welding at Growth Center here, how many years or how many months is it going to spend?
We are talking about 3 years now.
3 years?
Yeah.
3 years. So after 3 years, that person will be a professional
welder.
And you will give him a certificate to go and practice.
Yeah.
How many years you done teach for this school?
2012.
Since 2012?
Yes.
Oh boy, that's like what? It's 2020 to 2025. That's like 13 years. Oh, you can just for 13. That's very good. Okay, and all the students,
Yes.
they are on holiday now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the other lecturer said it is a 3 years program. Anybody that comes in will learn this work in 3 years.
2 years, sir.
Okay, that is fine. And I'm sure that you people at Growth Center here, Growth Center, you are doing a wonderful job. So thank you so much, my brother. God
Thank
bless
you, sir.